Hello my dear students, welcome to this next video. In this video we are going to talk about a problem which was asked in GATE 2016, question number 37. It is based on linear algebra. Some of the students, they are asking me to cover abstract algebra also. So yeah, that is in our list. So we will be soon covering the abstract algebra also. Don't worry. So we have this, let us read this problem. Let M is this matrix be real matrix with eigenvalues 1, 0 and 3. So you know that this is a matrix whose eigenvalues are 1, 0 and 3. If the eigenvectors corresponding to 1 and 0 are, so you are given eigenvector, this is the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue 1, and this here is the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue 0. Then the value of 3f, then you have to find out the value of 3f, right? So this is simple problem. So let us start with the basic definition of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So since it is given that 1 1 1 is an eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue 1, so by definition a minus, this is lambda, so basically a minus lambda I into the eigenvector should be equal to 0. So here A is the matrix, 1 is our eigenvalue, I is the identity matrix, and this 1 1 1 is the eigenvector, that should be 0. So from here what you get A minus 1, D minus 1, F minus 1. You just subtract 1 from the diagonal entries of this given matrix into 1 1 1 equal to 0 0 0. So you just use the matrix multiplication. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix and this is a 3 cross 1 matrix. So when you do first row first column, so you'll get 1 minus a minus 1 plus b plus c equal to 0. That gives you a plus b plus c equal to 1. And when you do second row first column, this 1 1 1, so you'll get b plus d minus 1 plus e equal to 0, that is b plus d plus e equal to 1. And when you do third row and first column, so you'll get c plus e plus f minus 1 equal to 0, that is c plus e plus f equal to 1. So you get these three equations, right? And now because we want to find out the value of f, now if you look at the number of variables, there are a b c d e f, so there are 6 variables, so we need 3 more equations. So one more thing is given, that this particular vector here is an eigenvector corresponding to 0. So you will use the definition again. So you have this, basically you have a minus 0 identity into the eigenvector equal to 0 0 0. So when you do a minus 0, so you get a again, so this is your a again, and then into the vector the product is 0 0 0. So what, when you multiply similarly as we did earlier, so you'll get a minus b equal to 0, and then b minus d equal to 0, and c minus e equal to 0. So from here you get a equal to b equal to a equal to b, b equal to d, and c equal to e. Now you have these 3 equations here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can solve for a b c d e f. So when we solve it, we get a equal to this, b equal to this, c equal to this, then d equal to this, e f. Now they are asking you the value of 3f. So that will be 3 into f. So that will be 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1. So you see, this is a question where you need to do lots of calculations, but you don't need any much of the theory, just the definition of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. If you have any doubts, please write on the comment box, and please share this video and subscribe to this channel. Happy learning!